Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll talk about Bitcoin, total market cap, Coin and few other metaverses coin that you have been looking for. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification. Alright, let's start this by looking at the Bitcoin daily chart. In fact, let me go to the weekly chart first here. And remember guys, I told you that the previous week candle was rejection candle, and throughout the week we will see a selling pressure in this Bitcoin chart, and this is exactly what we saw on the daily chart. We can see this head and shoulder pattern is still in play, and we were kind of retesting the back of this neckline of this head and shoulder, and right after this testing here at around $46,000 level, we saw a dump here in the Bitcoin, and that is what I expected. But these two bullish bars were kind of a fake out here, because if you see the momentum of these candles, these were like impulsive candles, so lots of people were kind of expecting this is kind of inverted head and shoulder pattern. And yes, in fact it can be the inverted head and shoulder pattern, and in fact if the price goes towards this $38,000 level, this support and resistance area, this will still be the inverse head and shoulder pattern here, and we might see, if Bitcoin wants to go up from here, then we might see some sort of pattern here on the daily chart here. So technically, if we see a reversal in the Bitcoin here, this $38,000 level is very important, because this could be the right shoulder here. But to get the confirmation of the right shoulder, we will need to go to the 4-hour chart, and we will see some sort of pattern here, like double bottom or head and shoulders pattern like this, some sort of pattern here to enter along. And if we don't see a pattern here and price further goes towards the downside, then in my opinion this $35,000 level is very crucial then, and then this $30,000 level here. As you can see, this is the prediction of this channel pattern that we have been looking for a very long time. So two levels to watch for in the Bitcoin in the meanwhile: this $38,000 level, this 38 support resistance level, and if we don't see a buying pressure from this level, then wait for this $35,000 level. And if we still blast past through this level, then $30,000 level is the very critical support area here. As you can see, very critical support here. So right now, just wait for this downward momentum to get slow and then look for buy somewhere here or here. If I go to the total market cap here, kind of same situation here. If we see the total market cap, we were trading in this falling channel pattern. It broke out here, and now it is kind of retesting this breakout channel trend line. So this becomes a very important support here, somewhere here at around $1.75 trillion level. Not only this is the back of this channel, but this is also a horizontal support area here as well. This is a very important trend line here. So we might see a little bit bounce up from this level here, because of this large leg that we saw that broke out from here. So guys, on the Bitcoin chart, this $39,000 level is very important according to the total market cap. So if we see a bounce from here, then we will definitely see a bullish price action in the Bitcoin and all the other coins as well. And not only we are witnessing a horizontal support area here and vertical convergence, but inverted head and shoulder patterns are being formed here as well. So watch out for bullish price action here, somewhere here on the shorter time frame, like 4-hour or 1-hour time frame here. So right now it's just a waiting game. Let price stabilize somewhat here, and then we will see a pattern eventually, and then we'll have a chance to open a long position on the BYBIT account. So that being said, let's analyze Coin here. Dogecoin is not looking good in my opinion, because as you can see, the amount of recovery was not great here, and we are in a very sharp decline trend on the daily chart on the Dogecoin. And from the top till the bottom, we have retraced almost more than 70% so far. So not a good sign here. And by looking at the candle action here, you can see very large bearish candles are being formed at the support area. So we will definitely need some sort of confirmation pattern to enter. If you guys are bullish on the Dogecoin for the long term, then just don't buy blindly here. Wait for the pattern to form, because if you can see here, if we extend this trend line here, the price is still trading below this resistance trend line. So first we need to break out from this trend line on the daily chart, and then some sort of pattern to enter. So probable buying scenario could be here is that this could be the first bottom, this could be the double bottom, and this would be the neckline of this double bottom pattern, and we might get an entry. If we see a bullish price action in the Bitcoin, then we will see a bullish breakout in the Dogecoin as well. So watch out for this scenarios as well, and I'm very eager to see this level holds or not. If it doesn't hold, then the next support area for the Dogecoin is at around $12 region. As you can see, very nice support area here. Multiple touches are being formed here. So this current level at around $17-18 level on the daily chart should hold for the Dogecoin. Otherwise, $12 level is very near. So let's analyze some metaverses coin. Let's do it. Let's do the Sandbox here. As you guys know that I was watching this downward sloping trend line here, this downward sloping trend line, and you guys remember I told you that this could be the resistance area at around $4.7 level, and you see a nice rejection here, rejection of about 25% so far. And you guys also know from my previous video that I was watching this upward trending trend line here that was broken here, and that was not a good sign for the Sandbox here as well. So I told you that this is the next support area, and if we see a bounce in the Bitcoin, then you will definitely see a price action reversal from here. But the overall momentum and the trend on the Sandbox is on the downside. The next obvious support level I can see on the Sandbox is right here. You can see, let me draw a box out of it like this here at around $3 level. So if this 2.5 doesn't hold, then $3 level is a major support area here. As you can see, multiple touches are here at this $3 level. So let's hope that Bitcoin bounce from like 39 and 38k, and by that time Sandbox will come here and you will see a massive bounce from this coin if we see a massive rally in the Bitcoin. So that's my quick analysis for Sandbox. Let's do a quick analysis on the Mana coin as well. And Mana coin is also kind of at the back of this neckline of this gigantic head and shoulder pattern that I have been looking for a very long time. And if you recall my previous videos, then you guys know that we were watching this $3.4 level very aggressively, and I told you that this is a nice area to take some profits. If you guys took a long somewhere here, this is naturally a nice area to take profits, because if you can see, multiple support and resistance touches are here at this level. And right now we are kind of in this channel here. Let me draw our channel here. This is the trend line, and this trend line is very important. If price closes below this upward trending trend line here, then we might expect Mana coin to drop further from here all the way at around $2 level. So watch out for this trend line level to hold for the meanwhile, and hopefully it will hold this trend line and push upward toward this high and break out this $3.50 level, and that will also make a higher high, and that will change the trend on the daily time frame. So right now the decentralized mana coin is at the very critical level. If we see a breakdown from here, the next support area is obviously at around $2 level, so watch out for this. Now let's analyze the Gala coin here for the bit. The Gala coin is looking stable here, and it is showing us a nice inverse head and shoulder pattern here, but this pattern is not confirmed yet. If you recall my previous videos, we were watching this left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder is in the process of formation. This inverse head and shoulder pattern will confirm when we see a bullish candle break out above this 40 cents region here. Right now we are just anticipating that price will close above this and break out and give us a target here. So right now this bullish price action is looking good, and in my opinion, if we see a recovery in the Bitcoin, then we will see a breakout in the Gala coin here as well, and that will give you a nice 53% gains trading opportunity here. If you trade it with the leverage on the BYBIT account, that gains could easily multiplied by using the leverage. Alright, you can find the link in the description, where you can also claim up to $4,500 bonuses on the BYBIT account if you sign up through my link. Alright, so that's it guys. Bitcoin is the king, and Bitcoin is the driving factor of all the coins. So let's hope that we get a bounce at around 39K. This is a good support area. I hope you guys like this quick video analysis. If you liked it, please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.